The life you live is more important than the words you speak. Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regrets. So, love the people who treat you right. Forget about the ones who don't, and believe that everything happens for a reason. If you get a chance, take it. If it changes your life, let it. Nobody said it would be easy, just that it would be worth. People change, things go wrong. Just remember, life goes on. You walk through life much easier with a smile on your face. In life we all have an unspeakable secret, an irreversible regret, an unreachable dream, and an unforgettable love. I wish my book of life was written in pencil. There are a few pages I would like to erase. Sometimes struggles are exactly what we need in our life. If we were to go through our life without any obstacles, we would be crippled. We would not be as strong as what we could have been. Give every opportunity a chance. Leave no room for regrets. You've gotta dance like there's nobody watching. Love like you'll never be hurt. Sing like there's nobody listening. And live like it's heaven on earth. Life is about falling, living is about getting back up. Life is tough, get a helmet. The biggest challenge in life is being yourself. In a world trying to make you like everyone else, life isn't worth living for unless you have something worth dying for. Live your life the way that you want to live it. Don't let other people live it for you. Life is like a hot bath. It feels good while you're in it, but the longer you stay in, the more wrinkled you get. Nobody ever said life was easy. They just promised that it would be worth it. Life is so ironic to understand fully. It takes sadness to know what is happiness, noise to distinguish silent and a broken heart to find true love. The best things in life are unseen. That's why we close our eyes when we kiss, cry, and dream. Never have regrets, because at one point everything you did in life was exactly what you wanted. Things turn out best for people who make the best out of the way things turn out. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. 20 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. Life isn't about getting and having, it's about giving and being. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans. We become what we think about. Life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it. The mind is everything. What you think you become. An unexamined life is not worth living. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once he grows up.